Welcome to qnawire.
We're told that we have the following reaction. For every 2 moles of zinc sulfide that reacts with 3 moles of oxygen, we get 2 moles of zinc oxide and 2 moles of sulfur dioxide. Now, we have a reaction mixture that initially begins with 4.2 moles of zinc sulfide as well as 6.8 moles of oxygen. And we want to know, if this goes to completion, how much excess reactant will remain. Well, first we should probably figure out which reactant is excess. So let's set up our mole ratios to find out which one will produce less and more product. So according to our equation, we have 2 moles of zinc sulfide. And let's pick a product, and we'll just pick this one here for every 2 moles of zinc oxide. If this completed, this would be a 1-to-1 ratio, and therefore we'd get 4.2 moles of product. Now let's check it for oxygen, which has 3 moles reacting, forming again 2 moles of zinc oxide reacting. Let's see here. So 6.8 times 2 divided by 3 would be 4.53 moles of zinc oxide, which tells us that the zinc sulfide will limit the reaction and be our limiting reactant, whereas the oxygen will be our excess reactant because it makes more. But now we want to know, if this went to completion and all of the zinc sulfide was used up, since it's our limiting, how much oxygen would remain. And to do that, we can do one more mole ratio. So we know we begin with 4.2 moles of zinc sulfide. And according to our equation, every time this reaction proceeds, 2 moles of zinc sulfide are used up, and 3 moles of oxygen are used up. When this works out, it would indicate that 6.3 moles of oxygen are consumed every time this reaction completes. But we also know that we started with 6.8 moles. So if we subtract how much is consumed from how much we had, we would get that there would be 0.5 moles of oxygen present when this reaction wraps up, since it was excess.